Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Roblox memory warning on iPad. A memory warning in Roblox on iPad usually means your device is running low on RAM. And the same fixes also apply on Android since both systems handles memory pressure in a very similar way. Start by closing all background apps to free up memory, then restart your device to clear temporary RAM usage and give Roblox a fresh start. After that, open a game and go into the in-game settings, then lower the graphics quality to the minimum or switch it to manual low settings, which significantly reduces the load on your device. If the warning still appears, check your device storage and the settings, and make sure you have enough free space, since low storage can also affect performance. You can also offload or reinstall Roblox to refresh the app and clear cache data, but make sure your login details are safe before doing that. On both iPad and Android, older devices may still struggle with newer Roblox updates, so avoid high graphics or heavy experiences to help prevent repeated memory warnings. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.